So in the adjustments, he was given salaries outstanding, which we are going to add. Value of unused stamps is as follows he gave. That is opening postal stamps and closing he gave. So whenever it is like here in the non-trading ma, you are coming across the different kinds of things. Sometimes you come across outstandings. So current year will add and last year's will minus. Then you come across advance. So current year we minus and last year's we are going to add. And then you're going to have this one new, that is opening and a closing. So opening we are going to add and closing we are going to minus. Like last in the when I was doing a short, I have explained you, because purchases will be on the side of opening. So opening will be addition, closing will be minus. That's how I explained. So this is also the same. In the postage we do the same. Opening will add and closing we will minus, and closing again will take in the balance sheet. All the closing balances will go to the balance sheet only, no? So that's the way it will go to the balance sheet. Then stock of a cricket equipment as on 31st December itself. So again he gave us stocks as on closing stock. So all the closing stocks will be in the balance sheet only. But what is this cricket equipment? So usually cricket equipment means it's asset, but here something different I'm going to do it. Equipment here, though it is asset, we will take first priority to the two effects are there in the income and expenditure, then assets. Then arrears to the subscriptions 2005 is 800, means current year outstanding. All arrears of 2004 received in the 2005. According to the bylaws, club donations and entrance fee are required to be credited to the general fund. So here what he's saying is the club donations and entrance fee, here he is asking us to take in the general fund, means in the liabilities part. That means whatever receipt side he gave, the incomes, membership, entrance fee, donations, interest on deposits, in that only two are the income related, that is subscriptions and interest on deposits, whereas entrance fee and donations will take in the liabilities. Remember, we are going to take it in the liabilities. So throughout a sum I have read it. Anywhere did he give opening capital? No, he didn't give us a opening capital. So that's why before starting actual sum of income and expenditure, I will prepare opening balance sheet. So first I'm preparing a balance sheet opening. So that's why I'm going to take, instead of 31st December 2004, we can take in either way. So here balance sheet as on 31st December 2004 we can take, or 1st January 2005. This is the way also we can take. It's up to our wish. Then liabilities amount, assets amount. Now here obviously we'll not have anything on the liabilities, everything we are going to have on the asset side only. So first foremost thing, here in the receipts and payments, he gave three things: opening balances of cash items, opening balance of bank items, and opening balance of FDs in the bank items. So three we are going to take it as a asset. So opening cash balance is 352 and bank balance is 2738, and then fixed deposit FDs, how much percentage? 7% in bank is 3000. This is it. Then apart from that, I have to search for any other opening balances, no? So these other opening balances I have in my adjustments. So first one is postage opening balance. Postage opening balance he gave means obviously this is here, no, we are going to take it. So postage we are going to take in this one, that is opening. So how much? It is 75. And subscriptions outstanding, last year we have, here he said subscriptions outstanding include 600 of 2004. So that will come here only, no? So subscriptions. Outstanding of last year, which is 600. Now add and tell me how much you are going to get the answer.
6,765.
6,765. Okay, fine. 6,765. 6765. So here we call this one as capital balancing figure. 6765. Done. Now, once this is done, now we'll move on to the next one. So what is the next thing here? We are going to do it is our income and expenditure account. Expenditure amount, income amount. And here we are going to write income and expenditure account for 31st 12 2005. So first I always take subscriptions no first. So here also I'm taking subscriptions. So subscriptions he gave is some 4,000, and he said there is a last year subscription also. So what we are going to do it first, current year outstanding we will add, no? So how much is the current year outstanding which is given in the adjustments outstanding, you tell me.
800.
Yeah,
8.
right. Yeah, right. 800. Oh, 800. And then we are going to minus outstanding of last year, that is 2004. So how much it is? 600.
600.
So therefore it will be 4,200. Now this is done. Then I have one more thing is one more thing on the my income side. If I leave my opening balances, fixed deposits, membership subscription is over, entrance fee donations are liability. So interest on fixed deposits I can take. So that I'm taking here. FD, sorry, interest on FD. So how much he gave? He gave 105, right? But here we have one more adjustment here. What is that? Is outstanding interest. That is 105. How it is? Means just see, fixed deposits, interest on fixed deposits up to 30th June 2005 it seems. Are we are doing only till 30th June or we are continuing till 31st December?
Till December.
Till December. Till December means obviously 6 months still balance is there, no? So it's a hidden adjustment. 6 months we have to pay. That is the reason that fellow has mentioned as the date. So when date is given, I always say it's something, there is a hidden part we need to understand. So he said interest on deposits, and bracket he gave date as on until 30th. That means we are preparing as on 31st December. So next 6 months I should get the balance. So I'm going to take it. So how that I'm going to calculate is 7% on 3000 into 6 divided by 12. Got it? How we are going to do it? So how much will be then? 210. Now we don't have anything on the income side. Now come down to the expenditure side. So first we take match expenses. Do I have any expenses? Match expenses adjustments means no, I don't have any adjustments. So I'm taking directly the amount. Then two salaries. I think salaries we have an adjustment. Just check it up. Yes, girls.
Outstanding.
Why
Outstanding
you are
100.
why you are silent today? So outstanding salaries which is
100.
100.
100.
So balance is 1200. Done. After match expenses and salaries, next comes is the postage. The postage he gave adjustment, that too he gave opening and a closing. So the way he gave, we have to take in the same manner. So that's why postage, what all he gave, that I'm taking here. That is 105 he has given. To this one, I said just now, opening we will add. So which he gave in the adjustment opening, I'm going to add here. That is 75. And then obviously if opening I'm adding means then closing becomes a
Minus.
yeah 90. So it will be 90 answer because 180 ఉంటుంది 180 లో half అంటే 90. Okay. Then maintenance of ground, we don't have any adjustment, so directly I'm going to take 682. Then printing he gave. So how much printing and stationery he gave? 324. Then after that, to conveyance. So conveyance enta
82.
82. Then
So purchase of cricket equipment.
yeah. So to cricket equipment. So how much he gave? Usually equipment means it comes into the asset ma. But here what that fellow said is, he said closing should be 321. In the adjustment, just see. The store sports equipment as on 31st December 2005 is 321. It means closing balance should be that much. Closing balances means balance sheet balance. No. So closing balances should be that much means obviously balance. The rest all is a like a depreciation only. Na? So that's why closing I'll minus here, which is 321. So therefore the balance I'm going to get is 651.
651.
After conveyance, then we have sundry expenses. 200. Anything else we missed out? Please check.
No, ma'am.
So tell me. Obviously, we'll get negative balance only.
Yes, ma'am. 143.
Okay. So it is by every time we used to get a surplus, now we call it as a deficit. Deficit balancing figure. So 143. So total ఎంత అవుతుంది 143 అంటే 4553 అంతేనా
4410, ma'am.
Hey, 553. ఈ 3 figures యాడ్
Yeah,
చేయనికే.
ma'am. Yeah. Ah, okay.
Okay. Take a screenshots. I'm going to move on to the next last one, balance sheet. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now the last statement is balance sheet statement. So in this one, yeah. So here liabilities amount, assets amount. So here balance sheet as on year ended 31st December 2005. So first I always start with a capital. So here I'm taking with a capital, that is capital. How much we got it in the opening? So we got capital around, how much we got, right? Capital 6765, no? Yeah. And we got a surplus or a deficit?
Deficit.
So surplus అయితే యాడ్ చేస్తాం, డెఫిసిట్ అయితే
Minus.
యా. సో 143 అంటే బ్యాలెన్స్ ఎంత వస్తుందన్న 143 పోతే
6,622.
6622 అంతే కదా, 6622.
Yes, ma'am.
దెన్ మనం రిసిప్ట్స్ అండ్ పేమెంట్స్ లో 2 things మిస్ చేసాం. వాట్ ఆర్ ద 2 things which we are supposed to take in the liability side? 2 things we missed out. Just check receipts and payments. Subscriptions on the
Donation.
entrance fee, donations, interest on fixed deposits. So subscriptions in Yama,
No, ma'am.
we missed out. We have taken subscriptions, we have taken interest on fixed deposits, but we missed what?
Donation.
Donations and entrance fee.
Fees.
So here that I'm taking donations. So how much? 501. Then entrance fee also we forgot. So entrance fee is how much? 275.
770.
That's it. Is there any outstanding expenses? Outstanding salary ఉంది చూడండి, మిగతా అది తప్ప ఇంకేం లేవు. Outstanding salary ఒకటి ఉంది. So it's a liability again. So outstanding salaries, how much? 100 rupees. Okay, then now come down to the assets. So మనం ఓపెనింగ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ షీట్ లో ఏ స్టైల్లో తీసుకున్నానో నేను ఇక్కడ అదే స్టైల్లో తీసుకుంటాను. సో ఫస్ట్ క్యాష్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది మా? ఇప్పుడు క్లోజింగ్ బ్యాలెన్సెస్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఇప్పుడు క్లోజింగ్ బ్యాలెన్సెస్ సో 280 అక్కడ నుంచి రాయండి. బ్యాంక్ 1302. దెన్ FD in Blank. How much? 3,000, right? Then we have taken what? Postage. Same like last time what I'm doing it. Here, there we took a opening. Now we are going to take closing, which is 90. And then postage తర్వాత ఏం తీసుకున్నాం అక్కడ? Yeah.
Subscriptions.
Yeah, subscriptions again will take outstanding of the current year. So how much is the current year outstanding? It is 600 last year ది అంటే obvious గా 800 ఇయర్ దనే కదా అర్థం. ఇంకేమైనా తీసుకున్నామా? ఇవేనా లాస్ట్ అక్కడ తీసుకుంది?
Yes, ma'am.
బట్ ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ట్రా వచ్చినాయి కదా. ఏమేమి ఎక్స్ట్రా అంటే అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్స్ చూడండి నాన్న. సారీ ఇక్కడ ఫిక్స్డ్ డిపాజిట్ కూడా మనం ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటాం. నేను మర్చిపోయా. ఫిక్స్డ్ డిపాజిట్ మనకి అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ ఉండింది కదా. సో ఇట్ షుడ్ కమ్ హియర్ నో. వి ఫర్గాట్. హియర్ అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్ ఇస్ దేర్ నా. Outstanding interest 105. So it will be 3105. అంతేనా? ఇదో అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్స్ తీసేసుకున్నాం. నెక్స్ట్ నెక్స్ట్ క్లోజింగ్ బ్యాలెన్సెస్ చెప్పాలి. పోస్టేజ్ క్లోజింగ్ బ్యాలెన్సెస్ తీసుకున్నాము. ఎక్విప్మెంట్ క్లోజింగ్ బ్యాలెన్స్ తీసుకోలేదు కదా మనం. క్రికెట్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ క్లోజింగ్ ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు మనకి?
321.
ఓకే. ఇంకేమైనా? యా నేషనల్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్స్ అది కూడా తీసుకోవాలి కదా. ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్స్ ఇన్ నేషనల్ సేవింగ్స్ ఎంత? 1600 కదా. ఎనీథింగ్ ఎల్స్ వి మిస్డ్ అవుట్? జస్ట్ చెక్ ఇట్ అప్. Did we take all?
Yes, ma'am.
Total it.
7,498.
7,498. Okay. $498 and as well as here 7,490. Sorry, 7,498. Okay. Take down screenshots. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see the 10th one, which is your homework. So 10th one, from the following receipts and payments account of Ashok Nagar Association for the year ended 31st December 2005. So he gave opening cash balance, which we are going to take in opening balance sheet. Entrance fee he gave, we'll wait what he's going to, or else we'll take in the income. Subscription separately he gave. So 2004, 2000, it will appear in the opening balance sheet as outstanding asset side. And subscription 2005 will take an income side. Advance we will minus, or else we'll take simply on the liability side. Either we'll minus from the subscriptions, or we are going to minus from the what we'll say, we'll directly take on the liability side. So it's up to our wish. Then locker rent, special subscription dinner he gave. Rent, expense aside, rent, stationery, wages. These three are expenses. Billiard tables is a asset because it is very costly. And repairs is expenses. Then interest is expense. Furniture is a asset. Books are a asset. Fixed deposits are a asset. Dinner expenses is a expense, and balance is also it's a asset. Now, locker rent 300 related to last year itself. So, locker rent you are going to add to the locker rent in the income side, in the expenditure and income account. Rent 2400 has been paid in advance. So, this rent you are going to minus from your this one. So locker rent, you are going to in opening balance sheet, you are going to take it as 2400 and rent has been paid in advance. So that you are going to minus. Then from the following information, you are required to prepare income and expenditure account. So this is what you are going to do it. Is it fine? So this is very simple. Subscription separate ఇచ్చారు 2004, 2005, 2006. So manam a subscriptions low only oka outstanding whatever he gave outstanding 1600 no, that alone we are going to take it. Next others we won't take at all. We don't take at all. Please remember, we will not take at all. What you understand? Will you do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm ending then. See you all.